We have set up a inaugural swim technique camp, swim training camp. Kids had come in for 2 weeks in June and 2 weeks here in July. Kids are working on drills, working on increasing their techniques for the various strokes, and increasing their stamina during the summer, because a lot of kids in KISD swim programs on the various teams don't do club swimming in the summer. So between the end of season in May and the beginning of the new season in August, a lot of kids don't get any time in the water. And so a bunch of the coaches got together and decided to set this camp up in order to increase our kids' skills and get them back in water shape prior to school starting. It's very first year. This was all organized during the end of the season last year. Coach Bynum took the lead on it, my head coach at Killeen High School, and set this up, and all these schools are working together to make this camp run. It's important for us because most of the sports in Killeen ISD do some type of summer training. At Killeen High School, there's RU Camp where everyone can just do generic workouts. The football program does all their summer trainings. Track and cross country will do summer workouts. Swim did not have that until this year when Coach Bynum set this up with the other schools. So it's a good thing to help increase our students' abilities and to keep them in good swimming shape prior to season starting, instead of taking a 3 or 4 month break. We're hoping to continue this and do it more in the future. We've had a lot of really good turnout, anywhere from 30 to 50 kids in the high school side and 20 to 40 kids on the middle school side. So we're hoping to keep it going.